Hi, my gift-giving friends. You are in the right place to make it easy to remember your gift ideas. In this elf-sized episode, we're focusing on someone very important. You. That's right. You can use Santa's Little Helper to keep track of gift ideas for yourself. So when someone else asks what you'd love this year, you'll have your list ready. Let's take a look. All right, we are in the same chat. I would like to add myself to my list. I want to remember the things I've come up with. Please add to my list a plant stand with grow lights, some puzzles, and some nice socks. Can you help me figure out what some nice sock options are? And there we go. I've added myself to the list, and it's giving me some nice socks options. What brands should I look for? And it gave me some brands. So there I go. I've taken care of myself, and I can come back here whenever I have a quick idea for myself and give people the answers when they ask me what I'm looking for. All right. If you don't already have access to Santa's Little Helper, the link is in the description below. More quick videos are coming. Happy gift giving.